My name is John Cooksey, and one of the reasons I love living in the town of Hot Springs, Arkansas is all that goes on any given day. Last Saturday, I set out to document all the action I saw in town, and I didn't even get the half of it. The first stop was Park Avenue, where I was checking out the progress of the Vapors Club. The new owner and his crew are working hard to restore this historic club back to a dinner theater the way it was in the 1960s, without the gambling, of course. I'm now headed to Cedar Glades Park, where they're doing the model aviation radio-controlled plane show, which is free to the public, that we talked about on the show a few days ago, and let's check that out and see all the cool planes in action. Now let's check out the radio-controlled cars here at Cedar Glades Park in Hot Springs. Although there's no official club for the radio-controlled cars, you can come down anytime and use the track on a Saturday. You're sure to meet up with some great guys. Next, I was on to the first annual Tattoo Festival at the Arlington Hotel. The out-of-state promoters were pleasantly surprised at the turnout and plan to return next year. It was pure coincidence that I ran into my friends from the Diamond Dance Company that were doing a pop-up fundraiser for dance scholarships right outside the veranda at the Arlington Hotel. Stopping by the ice cream social at Emergent Arts. The evening was topped off by visiting the Pocket Theater and seeing them perform the musical Chicago with a live band. It truly was a great experience, and they did an amazing job at their performance. My name's John Cooksey with Hot Springs Realty. If you're looking to buy a house or sell a house in the Hot Springs area, give me a call. I'm sure we agree it's a fantastic place to live.
Some families have been in Hot Springs for generations. Others have just moved here. Either way, this town has a deep sense of family. In the friends we meet, the places we go, and the people we care about. These values are just as important to Peters Flooring and Paint. At Peters, relationship with customers comes first. This family-owned business has been here for over 100 years and not only shows their committed efforts in customer service, but in their products they sell. From the well-crafted flooring to the high-tech paint and many more.
We love Hot Springs, we love people. You know, we're in a situation where our customers are our friends. I mean, where else do you get to go to work every day and your friends come to see you, happen to be your customers at the same time? That's pretty cool.
Peters Paint welcomes you to their family and also their ability to make your house a home.
You are watching the Hot Springs Broadcast Network.